Tired of complicated ways to send money to your loved ones in the Philippines? Let's ditch the stress and show you how to send money directly to their Gcash account using Worldremit. First, open the Worldremit app or head to worldremit.com. Make sure you are logged in. Next, in the Send to section, select the Philippines as the country you're sending to. Now, under How would you like to send? Choose mobile money or look for the Gcash logo. This is key to sending directly to their Gcash wallet. You'll then be asked for the recipient's details. Here's what you absolutely need: their full name as registered with Gcash, and most importantly, their correct Gcash mobile number. Double check this number. Enter the amount you want to send. Worldremit will display the exchange rate and any transfer fees. Take a moment to review these details, as fees can vary. Choose your preferred payment method, like a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Enter your payment information securely. Review all the details one last time. Once you're happy, confirm the transaction. You'll receive a confirmation message, and the funds should arrive in the recipient's Gcash account, usually within minutes, but it may take longer depending on the time of day and Worldremit's processing times. And that's it. Now your recipient can easily access the funds through their Gcash app. Easy peasy. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.